Hello everybody, this is Uncle Sam again, and this is another FE question. In this question, we're told to find that, let me read the question. In the figure below, point D lies on line AC. This point D lies on line AC, which is 30, but let us assume the unit is meters. Let's say this is 24 meters, this is 18 meters, and it is 30 meters. We're told that BD is perpendicular, so this is sign for perpendicular. BD is perpendicular to AC, so this BD is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, find length BD and AD. So we need to look for this particular side, and we also need to look for this. So this is AD, and we also need to look for your BD. So we need to look for these two sides. And for you to be able to get these two sides, then you need this particular angle. Let's call this theta. You can easily use your SOHCAHTOA to get the BD and the AD. And for you to get this theta, you need to recall your cosine rule equation. And the cosine rule says what? If you check the equation, you just need to check the side facing the angle that you're looking for, which is this 18 meters. So 18 squared equals what? Then the other part, which is 24 squared, plus the other one, which is what? 30 squared, then minus 2 times the two sides, 24 times 30, then use what? Cos theta. So that is the equation. So let's say you're trying to look for this alpha, for example. Let's call this alpha. So if you're looking for alpha, this is not what we're trying to solve, but in case you have a question like this that doesn't exactly look like this, you can easily understand that you can find any angle once you have like the three sides by using cosine rule. If you're looking for alpha, for example, you just need to look for the side facing this and say it is 24, right? So you say 24 squared equals what? The other two sides, which is 18 squared plus what? 30 squared, then minus 2 multiplied by the other two sides, 18 times 30, then cos theta. Very straightforward, right? And if you're looking for this also, you just need to say AC square equals what? AB square plus BC square minus 2AB times BC, then cos this particular angle here. Yeah, so that's how to go about it. So because we just need this theta here, we are good with this equation. Then you can say what is our 18 squared? That's 324 equals what? What is our 24 squared? That is 576 plus 900 minus what? 2 times 24 times 30. That is 1440 cos theta. Then you can transfer all these values to the other side. You have your 324 minus 576 minus 900. That will give us what? Minus 1152 equals what? Minus 1440 cos theta. Then you have your cos theta. Minus can cancel minus, right? Cos theta equals what? 1152 divided by 1440. Then your cos theta equals what? Divided by 1440, which is 0.8. Then theta equals what? Arc cos 0.8, which is what? Which is theta equals what? 36.87 degrees. So that is our theta. Then what are we trying to look for here? We're trying to look for, so we know that this is 36.87. So because this is kind of clumsy, let me draw this triangle, the triangle that we need, which is the right angle triangle by the left. Yeah. And we have our theta here to be 36.87 degrees. We have our AB to be 24. We have our BD, which is one of the sides we're looking for. We have our AD also. We have our AD. Using SOHCAHTOA here, if you remember SOHCAHTOA, sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cosine theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, then TOA, which is tangent theta, equals opposite over adjacent. Which one do you think we're going to use here to find this? It is obvious because this is our opposite side and this is our hypotenuse. And for AD, this is our adjacent, right? And this is our hypotenuse, so we'll be using cosine. So for the opposite, for the BD, we'll be using sine. So let us get the BD first, which is what? Sine 36.87 degrees equals what? Opposite, which is what? BD over 24. BD equals what? Sine, which is 0.6. So let me check this. Sine 36.87 then times 24. So we have BD as 14.4 meters. Then to find our AD, we have to use, because this is adjacent, then hypotenuse, we have our hypotenuse here. We're going to use cosine. That's cosine 36.87 degrees equals what? AD over 24. So AD equals what? 24 cos 36.87 degrees. AD equals what? So let us say, oh, I think I have the answer already. Cos 36.87 times 24. Yeah, that's 19.19, which is also 19.2. Yeah, so the app already gave me the answer. 19.2. Yeah, thank you very much. So that is it for this particular question. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, and like. You can also comment on this video. And thank you very much. Have a lovely time. Yeah. Bye.